Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2016 Ford Expedition ELXL, stock number E2207P. 70,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Oxford white in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. This Expedition seats 8. Cloth interior, rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable, middle row seats, fold flat, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 3. The Expedition's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera, trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Lots of cargo space in the rear. 60-40 split third row seat, folds flat, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, as you can see. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Expedition has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Pages with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. It's great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Expedition has a 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6, 365 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 20 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Expedition, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.